So I found these angel high dolls. Miraculous. And we got this one. We got some Care Bears. We got little Tykes toys. Say Tommy. And we got this one. Then of course we got Coco Melon.